Pickup trucks are supposed to be the safest bet in the automotive world, machines you buy once and depend on for years. They're marketed as tough, dependable, and immune to the problems that plague cars and SUVs. But heading into 2026, that assumption is quietly breaking down. Some of the most trusted pickups on the road are becoming financial liabilities, not because they can't work, but because ownership costs are changing faster than buyers realize. Insurance pricing, repair complexity, theft exposure, and long-term reliability are no longer what they were even 5 years ago. So here's the question most buyers never ask themselves. Are you choosing a truck that works hard for you, or one that slowly drains your money after the warranty expires? Because the difference between those two outcomes is growing, and once you see the pattern, you can't unsee it. Number 12. Ford F-150 Power Boost Hybrid. At first glance, this feels like a safe choice. America's top-selling truck, now with hybrid efficiency. On paper, it's the best of both worlds. The reality is harsher. The NR80 transmission, even with Ford's 2022 update, still reports harsh shifting, clunking, and shuddering in 2024 and 2025 models. Layer on hybrid electronics, and things get worse. Gateway and gear selector module failures can trap the truck in park or trigger stop safely now warnings at highway speeds. Owners are stranded with trucks under 5,000 miles, waiting weeks for parts. Insurers flag these failures as high-cost claims, and extended downtime drives up premiums. If hybrid complexity strains a classic pickup this badly, the next truck shows what happens when reliability really starts to collapse under modern tech. Number 11. Ram 2500 and 3500 Heavy Duty. At first glance, these trucks feel unstoppable. Big frames, massive torque, a workhorse reputation. You expect reliability and strength. The reality is far riskier. The 6.7-liter Cummins diesel has a high-pressure fuel pump that can fail suddenly, stalling the engine with no warning, even while towing. Then there's the fire hazard. Transmission fluid can leak from the dipstick tube onto hot engine parts, sparking engine compartment fires on the road. Electrical issues compound the problem. The TIPM controls nearly every system in the truck, and failures can cause stalling, malfunctioning lights, locks, and windows. Repairs are invasive, unpredictable, and expensive. Insurers flag these as high-severity claims. What feels like a dependable heavy-duty truck can quickly become a costly liability. And if that seems bad, the next truck shows what happens when a supposedly reliable pickup hides even more dangerous surprises under the hood. Number 10. Toyota Tundra iForce. This one surprises longtime Toyota buyers. The Tundra used to be a buy-it-forget-it truck. This generation breaks that trust. Toyota swapped the old V8 for a twin-turbo V6. On paper, it's efficient and powerful. In reality, early engines had metal debris left in the blocks, contaminating oil and causing accelerated bearing wear. Some engines seized under 20,000 miles. Recalls help, but once the damage is done, it usually means a full rebuild or replacement. Insurers and resale markets take notice. Trucks with major engine repairs often carry reduced value. On top of that, owners report warning lights, infotainment freezes, and brake or steering alerts. Individually minor, but collectively they undermine confidence in a $70,000 truck. This isn't the old reliable Tundra. It's a first-generation powertrain with growing pains. And if that risk seems high, the next truck proves what happens when complexity and reliability collide even harder. Number 9. GMC Sierra 1500. At first, it feels safe. GM's flagship truck with decades of V8 heritage and a reputation for toughness. Buyers assume the 6.2-liter V8 is reliable and ready for work. The reality is harsher. Improperly manufactured crankshafts and connecting rods have caused sudden engine failures, locking up or destroying the motor without warning. Dynamic fuel management lifters can collapse, often taking camshafts and push rods with them. The 10-speed automatic also shudders under normal use, and software fixes haven't fully solved the problem. Insurers and warranty providers are flagging these risks. Rising labor costs and scarce parts heading into 2026 make repairs more expensive. And if sharing issues across two major nameplates feels bad, The next truck shows what happens when complexity escalates even further. Number 8. Chevrolet Silverado. At first, it feels safe, familiar, tough, and backed by decades of trust. Buyers assume the V8s are reliable and ready for work. The reality tells a different story. The Silverado shares the same 6.2-liter V8 as its corporate twin, with improperly manufactured crankshafts and connecting rods causing sudden, catastrophic engine failures. Dynamic fuel management lifters can collapse, often damaging camshafts and internal components. The 10-speed automatic transmission also shudders under normal use, requiring repeated service. Insurers and warranty providers are already flagging these risks. Rising labor costs and tight parts availability heading into 2026 make repairs more expensive. And if you think sharing issues across two nameplates is bad. Number 7. Hyundai Santa Cruz. At first, it feels harmless, modern, easy to drive, and smaller than a full-size pickup. Buyers trust it because it's marketed as a low-stress, versatile option with Hyundai's long warranty. The reality is harsher. The dual-clutch transmission struggles with heat, load, and stop-and-go driving, leading to full replacements, not simple fixes. Failures trigger stop safely warnings and leave drivers stranded. Electrical issues add to the risk. Infotainment freezes, false collision alerts, and climate control faults all drive up labor costs and claim severity. Even recalls for older models highlight systemic issues, and insurers know these patterns don't just disappear. Heading into 2026, rising labor rates and complex electronics make repairs even pricier. This truck sits between segments, inheriting problems from both, and the compromises show. Number 6. Jeep Gladiator. At first, it feels like a safe bet, rugged, capable, built on Jeep's legendary off-road platform. Solid axles, removable roof and doors, a reputation for trail toughness. Buyers trusted without thinking twice. The problems show up in the details. The 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 has valve train failures. Worn rocker arms and lifters can shed metal into the oil, damaging the camshaft. Repairs aren't simple. They require full engine teardown, which pushes costs through the roof. Then there's the steering. Death wobble isn't a myth. Worn suspension and track components can make highway driving unpredictable, and insurers flag these early as high-risk claims. Add the dual battery system, prone to no starts and warning light cascades, and you have repeated tow claims and module failures. Data from warranties and filings show these issues aren't rare, they're systemic. Heading into 2026, higher labor costs and scarce parts make fixes even more expensive. Rugged looks can hide expensive realities, and that's where many owners get caught. Number 5. Tesla Cybertruck. This truck was hyped as virtually indestructible, but in reality, it's fragile in all the wrong ways. Early models had accelerator pedals that could slip or stick at full throttle, a scenario that's downright terrifying on the road. Then there's the software dependence. Almost everything from steering to braking relies on sensors and software, and when they fail, owners report losing control entirely or having the vehicle completely shut down. That's not just inconvenient, it's dangerous. On top of that, reports of stress cracks in the frame have surfaced, and even the stainless steel body panels meant to resist corrosion are showing staining and wear. Tesla's promises haven't matched real-world results, and the outcome is clear. The Cybertruck is still a rolling experiment. Thousands are sitting unsold on dealer lots, and buyers are thinking twice before taking the risk. Number 4. GMC Canyon. This one surprises a lot of truck fans because it looks rugged and capable, but the reliability story is very different. The biggest issue? Electronics and false safety activations. Owners report the automatic emergency braking kicking in for no reason. You could be driving down a clear highway and suddenly the truck jerks to a stop like it thinks a wall just appeared. Then there's the engine wiring. The harness can rub against hot components, chafing wires and causing no start conditions or erratic engine behavior. These aren't isolated incidents. They point to a systemic design flaw that leaves owners stranded. Consumer Reports gave the Canyon a predicted reliability score of just 1 out of 5. That's right, the worst possible rating. For a truck that looks like it can handle anything, these hidden failures make ownership stressful and costly, especially as electronics become more complex in newer models. Number 3. Chevrolet Colorado. On paper, this looks like a solid midsize truck, but it shares nearly every problem with its GMC Canyon twin. The phantom braking system is the biggest concern. Automatic emergency braking can slam the brakes at highway speeds with nothing in front of you. Then there's the 2.4-liter turbo engine, plagued by carbon buildup, wiring harness issues, and occasional no-start problems. Infotainment systems aren't much better. Some owners report them bricking entirely, leaving screens and controls useless. Consumer Reports gave both the Colorado and Canyon a 1 out of 5 reliability score, the lowest possible rating. GM even recalled over 57,000 trucks for false emergency braking, but many owners say the fix made the system overly sensitive, triggering alerts constantly. The only real difference between the two? The badge on the grille. Otherwise, the reliability disaster is identical, making the Colorado a truck that can look tough but deliver constant headaches. Number 2. Rivian R1T. This truck was supposed to challenge Tesla, but instead it's a nightmare for owners. The biggest issue? Software bricking. Trucks can lock up completely after updates. No doors, no screens, no way to drive. Some owners even report smoke from electrical failures under the center console while driving. On top of that, the build quality is poor. Panel gaps, misaligned hoods, and leaky seals let moisture in, and Consumer Reports scores Rivian just 14 out of 100 for reliability. For a $90,000 truck, these failures aren't minor, they're dangerous and costly. What was sold as innovation feels more like a beta test you pay to participate in. And if you think that's bad, wait until you see the number 1 truck on this list. Number 1. Ram 1500 Hurricane. This truck was meant to be Ram's bold reboot. New engine, cutting-edge tech, fresh energy. On paper, it looks like a revolution. In reality, it's become one of the most notorious trucks you'll regret owning. The trouble starts with the Hurricane twin-turbo inline-6. Powerful, yes, but in the real world, it's riddled with electrical and sensor failures that aren't minor annoyances. Owners are dealing with electrical malfunctions that kill the battery or trigger random error codes, fuel pump and sensor failures that drop power or put the truck into limp mode, and in high-output trims, catalytic converters have even melted under heavy load. Dealers are replacing modules repeatedly with no permanent fix. The transmission doesn't help. The ZF 8-speed is solid hardware, but it's fully dependent on the surrounding electronics. When those fail, even the best transmission can't save you. Early check engine lights, repeated repairs, and no clear solution? This was supposed to be Ram's new flagship, but it drives like a first-year product with too much ambition and not enough reliability. So, there you have it. The 12 pickup trucks you absolutely want to avoid in 2026. Which one would you never touch? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.